My dream train, IC train in Switzerland, SBB, CFF, FFS. So that means it is in German, Italian, and French. This train is ready and going to Lausanne, but I will spend some time in Geneva and then I take train later. So I am in the beautiful world, or heaven on the planet, heaven on earth, Switzerland. So this is Geneva. So Geneva train station. First thing is I have to take Swiss pass. So Swiss pass for 8 days, 6 days. So I will take for 8 days because I am going to stay here for 7 days and 2 more days I am in Italy. But still, if anything is there, just I can utilize my Swiss pass. So it will start from today, just now. So I can use in buses, trains, metro, ferry, and excursions. I get 50% discount. So I think it is 42,000, but it's worth it. So I can travel everywhere, anywhere for next 8 days. So no need to buy any ticket for that. So first thing is I will go to SBB, CFF, FFS office, that is Swiss Federal Railways. So I take the pass for 8 days. So this is no entry. So I have to go straight and take a left, I think. So this is beautiful Geneva station. So you can see now the time is 11:40. So there is no time difference between France and Switzerland at the same time. So now I am going entering into this Swiss Federal Railways information and reservation, everything, tickets. I have taken token to take Swiss pass. My token number is 215. I have to wait. The token number is displayed here. So now it is 8209, A209. My token number is 215. Maybe just 5 minutes wait because there are several people. My token came to counter number 15, that person. So, and I have taken Swiss pass. I don't know, my credit card was declined and I used debit card. So it is 43,000, but I have paid in Swiss francs. So it starts from today. So it is for 8 days. So excellent. He has given me map, everything. So are all self-storage, self-deposit lockers. So there is no person here. So what we have to do is we have to first select the language English. So select English language, and then deposit. We can see the prices for small locker is 6 hours, 6 francs. Additional payment per 6 hours is 3. So medium, large, extra large, XXL. So this information. So I have to select deposit, then put luggage in available locker. So wherever the green button is there, so here green button I can put here. This is small locker. So this is medium locker M, small locker is S. So I have to put my luggage in that one. Then after that, close door. We have to close the door and pay amount. So I used my credit card here and paid the amount, and it will give a QR code generated slip. So that we have to keep it with us. So in after 6 hours, before 6 hours also we can come. So just we have to scan with that QR code and the door will open. So mine is a medium locker. This is 8 series and 11 number. So this QR code is generated like this. So you can see 8 number and my locker is 11. So yeah, when I want to remove the luggage, so I have to use this QR code. So that is a process. It's simple and easy. This is beautiful Geneva station, Geneva Carnival. Pret a manger, big beautiful shop, cafe, whatever we call. So is Amavita, I don't know, pharmacy, Dunkin Donuts. Dunkin Donuts are always expensive. I wanted to never bought because it is expensive. So this is the information meeting point. So now I am going outside and I go to Flower Clock and tallest fountain in the world, Geneva. It is in Geneva, tallest fountain. So I am going towards that. This is Geneva. Excellent. Lake Geneva, Geneva city. I am starting my exploration in Switzerland with my Swiss pass. So now I am going to Geneva airport just to experience this train, the excellent train, one of my favorite train in entire world. So at 12:28, you can see platform 3. So all information is accurate and it is very efficient. So I go to Geneva airport, spend maybe 10 minutes, and I come back to this again. This station. This is Geneva station. You can see 12:28 Geneva airport, IC1. I am waiting here. In another 5 minutes, train will come. Just now one train left, 12:23. So this is 12:28. Another 5 minutes. I was just late by 1 minute. It's fine. I was aiming this train only, not that one, because this is IC train. So this is a Geneva station, platform number. So this is my dream train. Just came and entered into the platform. Excellent train, double decker, excellent information, everything. Seats are luxurious. So these are all Bombardier trains. So manufactured in Canada, but extensively used in Switzerland in intercity travel. It is called IC train, intercity train. So extensively used between Geneva, Zurich, St. Gallen, Basel, Lausanne, Interlaken, all the important cities. To enter train like this is second class. We have to always check. My ticket is second class. And we have to take steps. I always prefer to sit in the upper deck. So, and it is forward direction. Whichever train goes, see, beautiful. How beautiful it is. See the train, excellent. One of my best favorite trains in the world. IC trains in Switzerland. IC is nothing but intercity. There is announcement. Everything is perfect. So I will just sit on a table. Every seat, see, every 4 seats have tables. So excellent facilities provided by Swiss. Down from this train. So it is platform 4 in Geneva airport. You know the beauty of this airport and train station is. So if we just take lift and then directly it goes to airport. So that is the beauty of train station here. So excellent. See all the trains going into different places like Zurich, Interlaken, Brig, St. Gallen, Lausanne, Basel, everywhere, all over the country. So from this station, airport train station, see how beautiful it is and how long it is. Excellent. So next train is at 12:55 going to Brig. So it will go via Geneva. I think even I can see one more train there, but I will check the timetable. So yeah, there is a train at platform 1. I will check, if possible I will take that train because it is earlier than this train. So this train is going to Brig. So I will explore and I will go to all the places all over the Switzerland for next 1 week because I have taken 8 days pass, so I go everywhere. Oh, you can see 12:42 is the time, so I will go to platform 1. Then this is Geneva airport station. See how beautiful it is. Excellent. So even if we tell hundreds of times excellent, it is not enough. This is crazy. All the trains from here go to Geneva. 12:55 is the first train. Platform 3 I will take that train. And 111, 125, 130, 142. So they're all going to different cities like Lausanne, Brig, Bern, Zurich, Chur. See, they go everywhere. Beautiful platforms. Platform 3, you can see Brig. This train is going to Brig at 12:55. Platform 3 goes Geneva, Rennes, Lausanne, maybe Montreux. I have to go Montreux in the evening, so where I am staying one night. And tomorrow morning I take Golden Pass Express from Montreux to Interlaken. Here. So train will start at 12:55.
de Genève, Renault, Lausanne, Vevey, Sion, Brigue. Prochain arrêt, Genève.
Das Zugteam der SBB begrüßt Sie im Interregio 90 nach Genf, Meudon, Lausanne, Vevey, Sion, Brieg und wünscht Ihnen eine angenehme Reise. Nächster Halt, Genf. The SBB train crew welcomes you on the Interregio 90 to Geneva, Renault, Lausanne, Vevey, Sion, Brieg and wishes you a pleasant journey. Next stop, Geneva.